Hello, 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 my friends. It is time to do a very quick little teeny little mini Christmas binder stuffing, and I'm excited. Today is Monday, July 15th, and actually I have a Christmas stuffing from last week airing, I think tomorrow. So this video is not going to come out for a while. So it's going to be kind of delayed, but either way, I'm stuffing the Christmas binder, okay? Okay, so let me show you where the money's coming from. This money is actually coming from my Etsy payout for last week. Let me grab something here so that you're not confused. Okay, so the Etsy payout on July 10th was $510, and that was an amazing amount. That's more than I've gotten in quite a while, so thank you so much. I am extremely grateful. I'll be honest, Etsy sales have been super duper slow pretty much all year. That is not a complaint. I'm saying that to say that I'm grateful for every single dollar. Okay, so just thank you, because without your support, you know, I'd probably be living in a hole in the dirt. Okay, so I love you guys and thank you. So $200 to Amazon, $210 to Verizon, $50 to Christmas, which is what we're doing today, and $50 to taxes. And yes, I had to put a note for myself because, as you could see, I already got this 5 days ago, and if I don't make notes, then, well, I just forget everything. So that's what we're doing today. So we're gonna start with taxes really quickly. $50. I do need to save $800 by September, and as you can see, I did have $190 in here. I unstuffed it as part of my the big unstuffing of 2024, we should call it. So we're starting from zero. Now I am probably going to come back and put a little bit back into this once I get paid again next week, because I have $600 and some, I think, that's going right into savings, which is you know, like the pre-mortgage payment. So essentially I'm saving $1,000 out of this check just to like practice paying my mortgage, I guess. So I might come back and put some money, because it's July, you guys, and with the way things have been going, I mean, I need this money by September 15th, and that's only like 2 months. So yeah, so $50, again, it's not a whole lot, but it's a start to building this back up. So that is that. And now we're going to do the Christmas binder. And again, I only have $50 here. It's not a lot of money, but every little bit helps. And so, yeah, we're just going to do it. So let's give it a quick count. So we have 10, 15, 25, 35, 40, 41, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 50. So $50. And I think what we're going to start with is Black Friday. We're going to put 10 into there because y'all know it's a huge goal of mine, and every little bit helps. And so this is not Black Friday. If I could find my challenge, that'd be great. Okay, so this one is from Plan to Plan Sticker Co. over on Etsy. It comes with these little stickers and then the tracker. You can set your own amount for these. I set each bag as $10 because I like to save about $500 for Black Friday. All in all, it will actually add up to $520. So, you know, that is good. And so let me put this back on here. We'll add the 10 and we'll see what we have in here now. Okay, so we have 100, 20, 40, 50, 60. So 160 out of the 500 for my goal. And yeah, all right, so let's do this. Let's go to the newer challenges. I showed you in my last Christmas stuffing, which, like I said, is airing, I think, tomorrow. I did put a couple new challenges in here because this was not going to be enough to meet my goal. So this one here is from Ellie on Earth, And I'm sorry there's a glare, but just look how cute this little marshmallow snowman is. I love him. This is a $65 challenge. And we have $5 here. Again, because I only have $50, I'm only just going to do one on each of these. And, you know, I already put 10 in the Black Friday challenge. So we only have 40 bucks to go around. So $5, and we now have 15 in here. Next, this one's from Tracy over at Golden Girl Budgets. Again, I just love this with the cute little faces. Y'all know the faces get me every single time. All right, this one's $125, so it is larger, and we got a 12. This was part of her like seasonal bundle. You can get, you know, one, or you can get all 4 seasons. I don't know if she still has these or not. I would assume so, but I got all 4 of them. So 10, 11, 12 going in. And so we now have 5, 10, 15, 20, 21, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 27. And I only scratched 2 numbers so far. So that's a big one. All right, next we have Nigel's Nuts. And this is from Liz and Les. Like I said in the prior video, this is a really old one that she doesn't even make them like this anymore. This is just an original that I had, and I want, you know, I want to use it. I don't want it to go to waste. So, let's see, 15. If we can do a 15 in the next one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Oh, I don't even have, all right. We're going to have to do just one nut. Each nut is $10. And so let's put that on there. And we now have $30 here in Nigel's Nuts. And then I'm going to try to do something in the next one, which is also from Liz, and it is Hide the Sausage. So again, a super duper old one. The lowest number I have here is, oh no, I do have another 5. Okay, so 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and then we will have $3 left. So let me do a 10. Put that here. Let me get this smaller one. Chomp, chomp, chomping on that sausage, chomping it away. All right, adding the $10 in. This video is super duper short. Okay, so now in here we have 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and $15 there in Hide the Sausage. And then we have $3 left. So let's see if the 3 is available on here. It's not. So I think what we're going to do is we're going to go to the front. Oh, we have an IOU for $1. Okay, let's take that off. Let's pay that. Let's take this away because I just put 50 in. So technically that should kind of even me out. I'm probably still behind, but whatever. All right, so we have $1 going in to pay that IOU, which means we only have $2 left, which means we're going to have another IOU, but it's fine. Let's go down here. This one's from Janelle over at Janelle Ray Budgets. It was a set of 3. I already completed the other 2. And we have an 8. So we have $2, which means we have a $6 IOU. These are my little magnetic bookmarks, the Christmas themed ones. I also have, you know, non-holiday ones. They are wipeable and reusable. And so, yeah, just in case you're interested, they're available on my Etsy shop. And $6 IOU, I wrote that down because you know I will forget. Let's pop this back in the envelope. Let's put the money in and see where we're at with this. So 50, 70, 90, 100, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 109 in here. And remember, that was a set of 3. So most of that money came from the other 2 that I finished. And then once again, we have our $6 IOU. Boom. Okay. Really short and sweet one today. But every dollar counts, you guys. I mean, it adds up. Even if you're saving $5 at a time, $5 will add up over time. So don't give up saving, especially if you have a large goal for something like Christmas. I know a lot of us here in the community like to save for Christmas all year round, and it really helps. It really, really does. So if you're someone out there, maybe you're just starting out, you're starting on your journey, consider starting now saving for those big expenses. It doesn't have to be Christmas. If it's something that is an expense you have coming up, maybe it's like your tax payment for your house, or maybe it's, you want to get a month ahead on rent or something. Maybe you need to buy like a new washer, just whatever it is. If you know it's something that's going to be coming up, something you're gonna need to pay for, it's a large amount, I definitely recommend starting saving now. Even if you can only save $1 a week, every dollar adds up. Okay, so that is it, my friends. Thank you so much for watching. I truly, truly appreciate all your support. I know I say it every time. I'm sorry if I sound like a broken record, but it's the honest truth. I said this before, I would not be in this position without you all. I would not be a homeowner without you all. And I mean, there's really no way for me to thank you except just to say it. Like I wish I could give each and every one of you a virtual hug, because I just truly appreciate all of you. So thank you for watching until the end and for hanging out with me all the time. And I love you, and I will see you in the next one.